Construction work continues at Spotify Camp Nou, with steady progress visible across multiple areas of the stadium. Despite recent weather conditions, activity remains consistent on facade installation, structural elements, and interior development. Several work zones are active simultaneously, indicating coordinated advancement across the project. A major compression ring element has been lifted and positioned using the tower crane. This large structural component forms a key part of the roof support system. Due to its size and weight, the operation required precise alignment before final positioning. The successful placement of this element marks further progress in the assembly of the stadium's upper structural framework. In the lateral corner area, lamas installation remains in an advanced preparation phase. All structural supports, anchors, and fixing points are already installed across the entire corner section. A significant number of lamas are staged on-site and ready for placement. While no new upper corner lamas have been installed recently, the area is fully prepared for the next installation phase. On the lateral side, facade glass installation shows partial completion. Several glass panels are already installed in the mid-level sections, while additional panels remain staged nearby. Specialized lifting equipment is positioned on-site, indicating that further glass installation is planned once conditions allow. Upper sections remain open pending insulation and finishing work. At the south goal, construction activity continues across multiple levels. Precast seating installation has progressed noticeably, particularly in the upper tiers. Temporary platforms and safety netting are in place, allowing crews to work simultaneously on seating, facade preparation, and interior finishing tasks. Several structural columns remain partially scaffolded, with upper sections awaiting final concrete work. At roof level, newly installed compression ring elements are now integrated with previously placed components. Together, these elements form the primary support system for the stadium roof, reflecting steady advancement in the structural phase. One full lateral facade section has now been completed, with all lamas installed from bottom to top. This area was previously pending installation and is now fully finished. Minor adjustment and inspection work continues behind the facade to ensure alignment and secure fixings. The north goal, multiple elevated platforms are active. Crews are performing surface repairs beneath floor slabs, including concrete finishing and structural corrections. Facade support brackets are partially installed near the corner areas, though full lama support systems are not yet in place. Scaffolding and protective panels remain, indicating this section is still under active construction and not ready for reopening. In the Tribuna section, block walls are being painted black, with several sections already completed and others still in progress. Pipe systems are partially installed and extend toward main structural beams. Precast stairs and seating elements are staged nearby, with installation continuing at higher levels. At the future FC Barcelona store, located in the Diamond area, facade glass installation remains incomplete. Some panels are already installed, while others are staged in front of the structure. No new glass panels have been added since the last update, but equipment and materials remain in place for upcoming work. Overall, construction at Spotify Camp Nou continues steadily across all major zones. Key developments include the installation of major compression ring elements, completion of lateral facade lama sections, ongoing seating and structural work in the south and north goals, and continued progress in the Tribuna and Diamond area. The project remains active and advancing toward its next construction phases. If you are enjoying these Camp Nou construction updates, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for daily progress around the stadium.